What's going on, guys? Welcome back to James' RC Garage. Today, on this Saturday evening, we are going to work on the Raptor. We're just going to change out the side steps. So I figure we'd do that to get this build series kicked off. So we'll put these here steps on to start the series. And get these old steps off. Alright. I also got the ladders put up in my garages. The scale garages today. So I'll show you that here real quick. I also put the hubcaps on the Raptor here. The center hubs. Or wheel nut caps, I should say. So them look pretty good. Along with them rims. Yeah, they look really good, I think. Heck yeah. But yeah, we're just gonna start changing out these steps and obviously putting them center caps on. I did that off camera just because I wanted to see what it looked like right away. I did that a little earlier after I got done working on my garages, on scale garages. I'm gonna have to get me one of them little power tools. Well, I have a power tool, but I don't think I have a bit in the 050 range. Hope y'all are having a good Saturday. Just been chilling out most of the day, relaxing. It's been in the 50s here in Wisconsin the last couple of days. I got the Bumble Jeep ready for another Jeep show tomorrow afternoon in Jefferson at a swap meet. So that'll be fun. I still have yet to get metal drive shafts for the Bronco. I do have a set aside on Amazon in my save for later. Cart. Alright. Okay, so I need to get my holder bars off here. Rub my screwdriver on the magnet here. So it magnetizes these screws a little bit. Alright, and then we're going to set it up, back up the same way with these here Injora steps. So now we'll just reverse the process of what we just did. And again, the part number on these steps from Endura on Amazon are X0038YRIKL. So if you want to check them out on Amazon, they have the pattern. I'll show you the pattern out of the bag here. Surprised they didn't give us black hardware. They gave us silver. There we go. Black with a little white pattern. Smooth. It doesn't feel like the pattern is there, you know. But, alright, we have the passenger side. Alright. Let's pop out here these plates. That's neat. They say enjoy right on the bottom of the plate. That's pretty cool. Okay. Obviously, we're going to have to take the boulder bars and steps back off to change out the trans skid. But that's alright. I don't mind doing a little extra work to show you guys the fun that I have with this hobby. Alright, so let's hope that doesn't catch. Alright, it might catch a little bit, but we should be okay. It's pretty close. Might take the Dremel and just Dremel the corner of this off a little bit. Right here. Just shave that corner off just a little bit, give it a little more of a rounded edge with the grinding plate on the Dremel. So that way when we turn, we're not, and flexing, we're not getting into that step plate. I can feel it already that we're getting into that step plate. We kind of get into the body a little bit too as well, but I'm not too worried about that part. Just this part right here. So we're gonna have to trim that off on both steps. They only give us 2 small holes, and then we have this big hole here, which I'm assuming, yep, goes over the rear screw for the upper rear link. So yeah, that's what the bigger hole is for there. So I did put it on right. That's alright. Okay, so now pop the hood. Now let's see what size screws these are going to be. Are we going to be using the 050 or the 1.5? We're going to be using the, well, this is an 050 screw. Okay, so that was probably for the boulder bars. Alright, so we can set that screw aside. Get those little guys out of there. ones are going to be the 1.5s. Them little guys right there. Hopefully y'all can see that. And let me, there we go. That guy right there will be the 1.5. And it'll go with these little locking nuts. So, how do I want to put this on here? So let's put it back on that side right there. Alright. Put it in the second. Alright. Grab our little wheel nut wrench here. That one will be the well, I don't know. No, it says that would be a smaller one right there. Push it all the way forward, and we'll just get her a little snug. Okay. Push it all the way in. Loosen it back up a little bit so you can adjust it here. There we go. All the way forward and in. Give her a tight. Give her a snug. The lock nut. There we go, guys. There's one side. That's how she looks. So I'm gonna pause you and finish this other side, and then I'll get back to you, and we'll see the finished product. All right, guys, and we're back. Got the steps all done. They look good, I think. Complements the chalk a lot better than the red. They do say endure underneath, but my Trail Boulder bars cover that up a little bit. That's okay. Heck yeah. So that is the start of the build series. Oh yeah, and the center caps. And that's the start of the build series, guys. Hope you all enjoy. Like, subscribe, and share as always. And we'll talk to you guys next time. Peace.